Downloading LUTs is like playing roulette. It's a gamble. You're hoping and betting they'll make your video look more like this, but too often they end up looking like this. So many times I either downloaded a set of free LUTs or paid for a set. And 95% of the time I was disappointed, so I stopped. And if you've had a similar experience, I have a unique solution. Not only does it work well, it's free. Right now, I'm going to show you how to design your own cinematic LUTs based on your favorite Netflix show or blockbuster movie. For example, Zack Snyder's Justice League. Maybe even Netflix's Korean hit, Squid Game. Yeah, I bought a shirt. Here's the technique. The first thing you want to do is find the cinematic image you want to reproduce and save it to your phone's camera roll. Next, download the free app Adobe Capture and follow along with me on my phone as I demonstrate. So once you're in the Adobe Capture application, you have several options down here at the bottom, but the only thing we want to use today is here, the looks. All you need to do then is click down here at the bottom right on the image icon, and then go into your camera roll. And here you have all of the images that are on your phone at the moment. Click the one that you want. Here's our Squid Game image. Once we've selected this one, click in the middle at the bottom, the check mark. And we have several different options to choose from regarding LUT styles. Just click on the ones. You can scroll through here at the bottom and find which ones work best for you and the style that you're going for. For example, a darker color, more green here, and so on. In addition to that, you can scroll here. We have a picture, just a still image that we can change. We can also slide over and there's video. We can change different looks here on a moving video. And in addition to that, you can slide over one more time and even preview these LUTs on an image you've saved to your camera roll. So it's pretty useful. Once you've chosen the LUT or look style that you want, click on it and then click Save. Give it a name. For example, Squid Game LUT. Done. Click Save. Next, click the X at the bottom left to get out of this. And here is our Squid Game LUT at the top left. The next thing we want to do is click on these three buttons right here, and you have the option to export or share. What I'll do here is I'll export it here. You want to export it as a look, keep that in mind. And then you can either airdrop it if you have an Apple or mail it to yourself. In this case, I'll go ahead and airdrop it to my computer titled Williams iMac. And there you go. I also have this shirt. So if you like this LUTs technique, do me a favor and hit the like button. I'd sure appreciate it. Wait, but what about applying these to your videos? Now that you know how to get the LUTs you really want, it's just a matter of applying them to your video software. For example, you can add them into Premiere Pro just like this. In order to apply your LUT on Premiere Pro, simply click into Color and Effects, then scroll over here to Basic Corrections and Input LUT. Click the drop-down box, click on Browse, and then go ahead and find your LUT saved on your computer, click on it, and then voila, it's applied. Or add them into Lumafusion just like this. If you'd like to add your LUT to Lumafusion, simply go into the Lumafusion app, find the clip that you want to apply it to, click the pencil icon down here, and go right here into Color and Effects. Once we're in Color and Effects, if you look up here, we're going to click on this cube. This is where the LUTs are stored. Now, in order to import your LUT, we'll just go ahead and click this download button here. And you'll have these options: Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and so on. I'm going to use my Google Drive. I've already placed the file in a certain location on my Google Drive. So I'll click on here and I'll locate that file on my drive under LUTs right here, and notice we've got Squid Game LUT right here. Click on it and it has been downloaded. And to see how it looks with and without the LUT, you can scroll through here, click on the eye where it's off, and the eye again to apply it. Okay, looking pretty good. And if you'd like to know more about Lumafusion editing for iPhone and iPad, check out my ultimate guide to Lumafusion right here.